Sometimes a Sonos 1, 3, or 5 won't reconnect after doing a factory reset. You go through the reset process. First, you unplug the speaker, then you press the play pause button and the volume up button at the same time, and then you replug in the speaker. You keep holding down those buttons until you get an orange blinking light. Everything goes as expected. You use the app to reconnect the speaker to the system until you get to the point where the orange light is still blinking and it needs to play a chime through the speaker that gets picked up by your phone, and that's where things go wrong. The app indicates that it's playing a chime. You can see a little graphic showing little circles emitting from the bottom of the speaker, but there's no sound actually coming from the speaker. It'll say, let's try that again. So you'll do it again, but the same thing will happen. It will listen for the sound, but there is no chime coming from the speaker. And then after failing twice with the chime method, it'll give you one more option to try by pressing down the play pause button, but that will fail as well. So now what? If you're like a lot of us, we probably go through the process another time and have the same results. There's only one way to fix this, and the way to do it is to bring your speaker over to your internet router. Get an Ethernet cord and plug it into the back of your speaker and the other end into the back of your router. Next, just go through the same process you just did. Unplug the speaker, press the play pause button while you hold down the up button on the volume, and then replug the speaker back in to reset the speaker so that the orange light comes on, and then go through the process of reconnecting your speaker using the app as you did before. This hardwired connection just works better. It is absolutely the only way to get past a speaker that won't make a chime sound when you want to use the app to reconnect the speaker. If you go through this process, did it work for you? If you have other questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.